Desmond, I want to understand that you were able to cut and paste the original RFP into ChatGPT.
So I said, hey, I am bidding a contract for X, Y, and Z. We obviously want to win. We need to provide a compliant bid that exceeds expectations. Essentially, I put parameters to ensure that it's giving me the best solution, right? I don't just say, give me a proposal. I ask specific questions like, hey, ChatGPT, you are an expert in IT services with all the experience, all the certificates, you have all the credibility in the marketplace, and you're one of the best in the marketplace when it comes to this particular topic. We're bidding a contract for X, Y, and Z. Here is the scope of work. I would then copy the entire scope of work and put it in there. Do you understand the scope of work? It would say, yes, I understand the scope of work. Perfect. Here are my instructions. Do you understand that? Yes. Then it would say, here's the evaluation criteria. Do you understand the evaluation criteria? Yes. Okay. Now, I then go in there, I say, cool, you understand the scope of work, you understand the instructions, you understand the evaluation criteria. Here is my experience. Here's my capabilities. This is who I am. This is my references. This is my past performance. I've done this project. I've worked with these companies. I have these certifications. I will then write an entire freaking paragraph or pages or whatever about me and my capabilities and our experiences and about our companies. Then I would say, do you understand who we are and what we do? Yes.
You put that in
Yes.
ChatGPT
I
after
put
you wrote all
everything.
those.
Yes.